Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to fix PowerPoint product activation failed error in Windows 11, 10, or 7. The first thing that you'll need to do is you have to go to your files, okay, and then go to your this PC and go to your and then click on your Windows SSD and then go to the program files, this one. Okay, now scroll down until you see the Microsoft Office. And click on it. Now click on the Office 16 and then click on the OSPPREARM. Okay, this one, right click this one and click on Run as Administrator. And after this, just close this one and then restart your PC and then try opening your Microsoft Office again. And that's it. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more video tutorials in the future. Bye.